यूट्यूब पे जब कोई लंबा ऐड आ जाए, वो भी अनस्किपेबल, कितना फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग लगता है ना। बस वही फीलिंग होती है जब आप कुछ खरीदने जाते हो और टैक्स खुद से ऐड हो जाता है, वो भी बिल में। वेलकम बैक टू आवर टैक्स सीरीज। इन द लास्ट एपिसोड वी कवर्ड द बेसिक्स ऑफ टैक्स. Today we'll discuss the different types of taxes you pay every single day and why it's important to understand them. Let's begin by understanding the different types of taxes. Taxes in India are broadly classified into direct taxes and indirect taxes. Direct taxes are paid directly by individuals and entities to the government. And indirect taxes are included in the price of goods and services. You pay them without even realizing it. Let's understand both of these in detail. Direct taxes. These are based on income and profits. Examples include income tax, paid by individuals on their salary or freelance earnings. Corporate tax, paid by companies on their profits. Capital gains tax, when you earn from selling shares, property, or mutual funds. You file these taxes and the responsibility lies directly with the taxpayer. Indirect taxes. Indirect taxes are charged on transactions. Common types include GST, paid when you dine out, shop online, or book a movie ticket. Customs duty, applied when you buy imported goods. Stamp duty, charged during property registration. And lastly, excise duty, which is still applicable on fuel, alcohol, and tobacco in some cases. Unlike direct taxes, you pay these unknowingly as they are included in the final price of any goods and services you buy. But you might be wondering, where does all this money go? Taxes are the primary source of revenue for the government. This money is used to build and maintain infrastructure like roads, railways, airports, fund public welfare schemes, healthcare and education, pay salaries to government employees, and maintain law and order. In simple terms, taxes are the main component of running the country. So whether you're spending, saving, or investing, taxes are always around. Understanding what you pay and why helps you make better financial decisions. Stay tuned for our next episode where we will explain how to file your taxes, choose the right tax regime, and get your refunds without any stress at all. For more such financial videos, keep following Yes Securities. We'll see you in the next one.
Investment in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.